Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I'm honored to have with me at our Casadel Cafe, Rimsha. And she is a Guinness record holder and also an Asian record holder. By the way, she had appeared for KBC2 at her very young age. From the age of 18 months, her IQ is too high, and she is able to remember the capitals of every country of the world and the presidents, prime ministers, you name it. And I'm sure you'll be soon watching her YouTube channel too, wherein you will get to know about Rimsha. So once again, thank you so much, Rimsha, for this honor, for coming to our cafe. And she wanted to ask me a few questions. So over to Rimsha, the Wonder Girl.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Rimsha Firdaus and I am here to take the interview of Mr. Muhammad Fahim ul Haq sir. Actually, by the way, I am a big fan because I love to watch Hyderabad Diaries. I saw him many times in Hyderabad Diaries in the role of inspector. Yeah, that's role really suits on him. So today I'm here to take his interview and ask some questions that you and even me wants to know, because जैसे हम हैदराबाद डायरीज आप लोग भी देखते होंगे तो हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस रहते ना, ऐसे दिल में सवाल रहते ना कि इन लोगों की जर्नी कैसा शुरू हुई, कैसा करे, क्योंकि वो तो हैदराबाद डायरीज आज फुल पॉपुलर है, लोग बहुत जानते हैं हैदराबाद डायरीज को. सो वैसे ही तो मैं उनसे वही क्वेश्चंस पूछने जा रही हूँ आज.
प्लीज.
सो मैं आपके बारे में इंटरनेट पे पढ़ी थी. एक्चुअली मैं वंडर गर्ल हूँ, सो मुझे एक बार पढ़ने पे याद हो जाता. सो मैं आपके बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन पढ़ी थी. जैसा आपका पूरा नाम मोहम्मद फ़हीम उल हक है और आपके जो बैकग्राउंड है, आप हैदराबादी है. आप यहीं बॉर्न तो नहीं हुए बट यहाँ पे रहते हैं आप.
बॉर्न भी यहीं पर.
ओह वाओ.
Even father born here.
Oh.
I was talking about grandfather who was born in Saharanpur, UP, and he migrated to Hyderabad.
ओह, तो आप यहाँ के हैं और जो है सो आपका फैमिली बैकग्राउंड बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल है. सो ऐसा ही पूछना था. और आपके जो फादर है जो कि एक सीनियर क्रिकेटर कोच रह गए, जो कि अजरुद्दीन जैसे प्लेयर्स जो कि अपने एक्स कैप्टन थे क्रिकेट के, उनको भी कोच किया, तो उनका नाम मोहम्मद वसीम उल हक ये किया. सो ये मैंने आपके बारे में पढ़ा था, तो ये क्या सच है?
Yes, it's very true. My father is a very senior cricket coach. It's just not about Mr. Azharuddin. There have been many cricketers from Hyderabad who have been coached under him. Few played for India, few became bureaucrats, few became politicians, and a few entered into government jobs and on a very big post. And Mr. C.V. Anand also is one of them. So yes, he was associated with Sports Authority of Andhra Pradesh then. Now it is Telangana Sports Authority. So he was under SAP and he coached many cricketers in Hyderabad.
ओह नाइस. सो ये बहुत अच्छा है. और जो है सो अपन बात करें क्रिकेटर अजरुद्दीन की, जो कि पहले चेयरपर्सन भी रह चुके थे अपने हैदराबाद के. और तो मैं आपके अब एजुकेशन के बारे में बात करूंगी, जो आपने उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी से कंप्लीट किया है.
Yeah, I did my Bachelor of Communication and Journalism from Usmania University, and from Hyderabad Central University का एक division है that's called Golden Threshold, Sarojini Naidu School of Arts, that's on the Napoli Road. वहाँ से मैंने post graduation किया in television production.
Oh, nice. That's fantastic. So, when you were in Hyderabad Diaries, you joined on 10th November 2020.
Wow.
So, you start with that channel working. So, how you feels that time?
Well, to be very true, I had no thoughts in my mind. I knew Hyderabad Diaries, obviously,
Yes.
because, both of them, Shah Rukh Khan and Abrar, happens to be my very good friends' children. Sajid Bhai, who is popularly known as Gulu Dada. So I knew them very well, obviously, and I've been watching their videos too. But I never thought about it. I never expected this to be very true. Kotasike that had come, in which Shah Rukh played the hero's character. That was his first big screen film while Hyderabad Diaries was on. So I played Inspector's character in that film. So I guess that could be the reason. I don't know. I've never asked Shah Rukh the reason why he wanted me to cast. So wanted to cast me. So when after the film, I think he had some idea that father-in-law should be introduced to the channel. and that's when he contacted me, and that's how I became his father-in-law. Daughters have changed. It was Zainab earlier, then Preeti, then now there's this girl called Pritya who's been playing Shah Rukh's wife's character. So daughters have changed, but son-in-law is the same. Very rarely it happens, you know. Son-in-law changes, but then not the daughter. But in this, son-in-law is the same, but daughters have changed.
Yeah, that's so funny. And like I saw many Hyderabadi Diaries episode videos in which you were there, but the very famous is like American Bahu and Saas Sassur, American Saas Sassur and Bahu, and also like Pati or Inspector Sassur. These videos were like hit the different. This was something different, new. Like you were in the role of inspector that perfectly suits on you. The voice, like when you enters the house in the role of inspector, then I thought, oh, he is in this video, like I should definitely watch this. And that's, I love your voice is perfectly on that. So is this true, this series are very famous of yours?
I believe yes. The Inspector, that character was a good one. All the other episodes too. There are many, I believe, but yes, you're very right. It did hit lots of people, and people loved these videos too.
And on your Insta account there are 55k followers.
True.
Yes, that's true. Like means I have studied perfectly and I still remember that.
Wow.
And I'm very glad.
That's the reason you're Wonder Girl. Obviously, from the age of 18 months, children don't even talk. And
Yes.
from those times, she's been on the YouTube. She's been covered by many channels. She's been interviewed by many people. And today I'm honored to be interviewed by Ramsha today.
Oh
She has
my
been interviewing.
God.
She was always on the other side of the table. And for me, she's on this side of the table. So again, an honor indeed. So you would know about her when you start scrolling for her videos on YouTube. You'll get to know what kind of girl she is, and she is an asset to the society and the community as such. Mashallah.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy to listen this kind of words in from your mouth because I'm your big fan. Like how, for example, if you love some celebrity, you're like celebrity for our Hyderabad. So if you love some celebrity and they say this kind of good words to you, that's mean a lot.
Thank you so much. And I still remember when I was speaking to your mom, because we've been interacting from a long time. I was too busy, was not able to give time to meet you, and basically I'll have to catch up with you in the weekends only because you have school and all. And I still, I messaged her. I said, your daughter is a celebrity. I'm not, so I'm looking forward to meet her. I remember I have said that.
Oh
so
my
what a
God.
pleasure, what an honor, ma. God bless you, and I'm sure you will go places in life, and I'm sure you will prove as an asset, as I just said, to the community and to the society as a whole, because of your IQ, because of your knowledge, and you will be keep imparting this knowledge for our community. Thank
My
you so
God,
much.
thank you so much. This is very good for me, and I'm really very happy for this. And like I would like to ask you that you joined Hyderabad Diaries on 10th November 2020. So by the joining, how like आपका सफर कैसा था वो time पर?
The suffer was bad. That's what I was telling. I had come back from Qatar. I was working over there for some time. I'd come back. I was looking for an opportunity. I was looking for something. I didn't know what to do over here, to start a business, to go back into films, or to do a job. So it was bad, to be very true. But then thanks to Saeed Bhai, thanks to Shah Rukh, who said we would like to cast you in this. Look, monetary wise, I'm not talking about the monetary front, but then again, when your name goes viral, so opportunities start coming in. It was
Yes.
because of that videos only that the other opportunities came in, and I am what I am today. So lots of its credit goes to Shah Rukh for Hyderabad Diaries.
Oh wow, yes, that's true. तो like जब आपका first shoot था तो आपको एक रोल मिला था इंस्पेक्टर का, तो आपको वो रोल मतलब आपके मतलब माइंड में कैसा है कि आप इंस्पेक्टर का करें, क्योंकि ऐसा कोई रियल लाइफ में कोई था आपके पास ऐसा इंस्पेक्टर केयरिंग और थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट?
बेसिकली वो जो कंपैशन जिसको बोलते हैं ना उर्दू में, अंग्रेजी में, और जो है जो शफकत जिसे कहते हैं,
जी।
उर्दू में शफकत जिसे कहते हैं, वो भर भर के है मेरे पास.
Oh.
And I'm considered, because I have 3 sons, so I always look for a daughter. So रील में भी एक लड़की मिल गई, तो obviously I was giving her that kind of love and affection that a father gives, doting
Yes.
father kind. And regarding that attitude of mine, वो तो कहीं ना कहीं ऑफ स्क्रीन भी एटीट्यूड है, वो वाला एटीट्यूड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो बोलते हैं ना, वो हम्बली शुरूड जिसको बोलते हैं.
Yes, good attitude.
Yeah, so probably that attitude carried on the screen. I did not have to portray that, so I was that self. तो easy हो गया मेरे लिए, मैं जो हूँ वही था उसमें.
अच्छा, हाँ, रियल लाइफ में भी आप वैसे ही है जैसे वहाँ हैं.
ट्रू.
सो लाइक जैसा आप शाहरुख के साथ ऑन स्क्रीन पे तो आपका किलर वाइब है, बहुत खतरनाक लेवल का वाइब आता आपका. तो लाइक ऐसा शूट पे आपके साथ कोई ऐसा फनी सीन हुआ, बहुत सारे हुए होंगे, आपको कोई याद है क्या, या बेस्ट मेमोरेबल कौन सा था उसमें?
I'm not able to, because every day is a fun day.
Yes.
Seriously, because recently even my wife also came into that series, YouTube, the Hyderabad Diaries, and she keeps telling me कि आप ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते, आप खामोश बैठे रहते हैं, and all, and look at the children, they are having a ball of a time, always laughing, making jokes, and never stressed. कोई बात का स्ट्रेस नहीं है उनको, कोई लेट आ जाए स्ट्रेस नहीं है, कोई गलत करे तो स्ट्रेस नहीं है, they are so cool on this set. तो वो शायद बिकॉज ऑफ द एज और वॉट एवर मेरे में है नहीं, तो कभी ऐसा इत्तेफाक हुआ नहीं. या देयर आर मेनी इंसिडेंट्स, बट सॉरी, आई वोंट बी एबल टू आंसर यू अ परफेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर्स, क्योंकि ऐसी कोई पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट याद नहीं.
अच्छा, तो अब आप हैदराबाद डायरीज में इतने साल काम कर चुके हैं, अब ये 2026 शायद आपका 5th ईयर है या 6th ईयर है. सो आपने फाइनली स्टेप कर दिया है 6th ईयर में. सो आपके साथ अब हैदराबाद डायरीज के साथ आपके पास मतलब कोई बड़ा आपके पास कुछ है क्या हैदराबाद डायरीज?
As of now, there are no
future में?
projects.
No
As such,
project.
yes, we do have planned to make a film. After Ramadan, the discussions are on. हम लोग एक फिल्म बनाने वाले हैं. The कहीं फेवर है उसमें, but लेकिन not the comedy front. एक सीरियस फिल्म की बात चल रही है, Amazon से भी बात चल रही है. We are talking to few OTT platforms on that. तो वो ईद के बाद कुछ होगा उसके लिए. Apart from it, जो business front पे, I have been very active on social media for real estate also.
Yes.
You might have not seen it or you might have watched it, I don't know. But basically, I've done a lot on real estate. मैं एक जुमला कॉइन करा था, पुश्तैनी गलतियां बंद करो बोल के, फॉर द पीपल जो हमारे आबा अजदाद बुजुर्ग थे, दे वर वेरी स्केप्टिकल टू इन्वेस्ट इन लैंड्स. और आज जमीनों की कीमतें करोड़ों में हो गई, जब उतनी कीमतें नहीं थी तो दूर है बोलकर या जंगल है बोलकर या वहां जाके कैसा रहते बोलकर नहीं लेते थे. सो दैट्स माय कोर बिजनेस नाउ. सो हैदराबाद डायरीज बोलो या कुछ और बोलो, दैट्स द पैशनेट पार्ट ऑफ इट. That's not my bread and butter actually. So basically, my bread and butter is real estate. So that is one that I'm associated with a company called AM Infra, and we are into many things. We have lots of apartments in Janat Chaitanya Colony, Rajendra Nagar. We are into construction of apartments. We have lands also for plots and all. And we have launched a company called Sukhe Deccan.
Oh.
So that's the name of the company, which means Deccan Market. And its first chapter is happening on 26th, 27th and 20th February in King's Crown Convention and King's Classic Garden.
Oh.
And after that, we would like to take this expo to Qatar, Saudi, Oman and other places in India and abroad. So that
Okay.
is my future plans for 2026.
Oh wow, mashallah, these are very good plans and may Allah make them successful.
Ameen. Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much.
So guys, this was our beautiful interview in which we asked some realistic question that everyone wanna knows. Like these questions were too realistic. Like everyone want to know how they started, how was their journey, and some like shoots, this kind of things. And like at last, I would say a famous dialogue of sir, like "ऐसे जैसे कैसे थे."
I'll continue from there. ऐसे ऐसे कैसे कैसे हो गए, वैसे वैसे ऐसे ऐसे हो गए.
Oh my god.
So that was from film Family Pack that was released in 2010. So yes, that is.
Yes, this is a very famous dialogue of sir, and we would like to end this interview here only. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.